And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned episode. We have just arrived in Edinburgh Airport in preparation to fly to Madrid at 5:40 in the morning for a special reason.
It's me. Hi, I'm the problem, it's me.
So this is the hotel room. We've been upgraded. We've got the Queen with the sofa, TV, desk area, and then we've got the airport view just out the window there. It's 4:04 a.m. and we are just leaving Hampton by Hilton at the airport. And I'm guessing one of these is going to be our plane taking us to Madrid, because there's 3 Ryanair flights departing at the same time. Right, we've just left the hotel now. Hampton by Hilton. It starts now, Pam. Really nice stay, a bit expensive, but it's Edinburgh, isn't it? Every hotel's expensive. And we're on our way in now. We also got these 2 little breakfast bags off them to take away. Right, we've arrived. We have no luggage to collect. We're outside the airport now. We're going to get the bus or the metro down to the hotel, then go pick up our merch package, because obviously we don't live in Spain. They don't post it from outside the country of the concert, so we're going to go and pick that up now. Off our first bus, we've just got off at this stop. We're now walking across the road and we're changing buses. Look at this weather, beautiful. Currently 32 degrees at 10:20 a.m. We just stopped at McDonald's because we were so hungry. But we're walking to the accommodation now. I got a little tostado tomato with ham. It was very nice. And this is where we're staying. I hope we get a view of the palace, which is there. Right, we've just got in the apartment now. Let me show you around. So, bathroom here. Then we've got like a living room, stroke bedroom. TV's there. Very spooky there. And then we've got a kitchen as well, just here. Beautiful old building. But when I got the tickets for Taylor Swift, I booked this place like the day I got the tickets, and the lady was just saying downstairs it's like 3 times the price now for the same days. But quite a nice place, look at it. Look at the roof. So we're just in this station now. Look at it, and we are waiting for the 10 to take us to the Santiago Bernabeu so we can collect the Taylor Swift merch. Let's head up there and then explore. Here we go, VIP merch collection. Right, we've just picked up the VIP merch. I tell you what, this is the way to do a concert, by the way. Hyping the shit out of everything. This is the way to do it. Right, so this is what you get inside the VIP merch. We've just stopped for a beer and a coke. So you get a box, a poster, a tote
Oh, the poster
bag.
must be in that. Oh no, wait.
Just gonna have a little sip of beer. Cheers, guys. this poster. This one.
That's cool.
Right there. This one. And this one. Cool. And then I think you get some postcards. A lanyard and a tote bag. Pretty good way to build the hype up, like. Right, we just came back. I couldn't fight it any longer. We had like a 40-minute micro nap. Obviously we were up at like 3 this morning, and we didn't get much sleep last night. Maybe it's an hour if that, so we're just gonna go out now. We've dropped the merch off. We're gonna go and have a look around the shops and cathedral, and who knows, we'll just go out and get some tea. We're gonna go and get a little rose ice cream now. I'll show you that. But let's leave this beautiful apartment. And then this is just outside the apartment. Look. How beautiful is that? So I got the pistachio and coconut. My God. So that's where we just stopped for the gelatos. They are lovely. Pam got the dulce de leche. Look at the size of that Primark. Just look at this Primark here. Look at this. This is Primark. Look. So now we've just got off the metro and we're going to see the chimp. That, if you remember the Porto videos, we're seeing the rabbit. Well, this is the chimp from the same artist. And here it is. Just down this little hipstery street. There's the chimp. Same artist as the one in Porto, the rabbit. That's pretty cool. Right, we've seen the chimp. Now we're going to go to Tacos Al Pasta for tea. I've never seen anywhere with ratings this good. So we're going to head there and then go back because we're both absolutely wiped out. This guy looks like me with his hair down there. We're inside and it's so busy. We've ordered, we've gone for mixture, and that is not even 30 seconds since the last clip, and the food is here. Here it is, so we've gone for a little taco mix. Pam's got a burrito, and I've gone for the horchata. But it's absolutely bouncing in this place, just doesn't stop. This is the taco al pastor, and it's absolutely incredible. Chicken, chorizo, potato, and cheese. So good in here. Tacos al pastor. Cheers. Wow. That was so good. We've had to finish on a little margarita. You get the juice for €10. That's pretty nice. But this salt is the saltiest salt I've ever had, so I'm using a straw now. It's good though. Reload once we got the margaritas. We've gone for 2 more tacos each. These are so good. Right, we're just out now. Look at that queue behind. That is insane. We're just walking back now to our apartment. That Mexicans was honestly insane, like the best Mexicans I've ever had. €1.20 per taco. Amazing. So good. Now we're going to head back and chill out because tomorrow we see Taylor Swift. Right, we're just back at the apartment now. It's 25 to 12 Spanish time. We're going to get into bed now, absolutely wrecked. And then tomorrow is the day, Taylor Swift. So we're going to get up early, got a full day planned, and then on the night time is when it happens. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching today. Peace.